YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with another Bible sketch notes, and we are moving along. We are in the book of Joshua, so we are in the history books, and this will be, we've already done the overview, and then I did Jericho, and I think today I'm either going to probably do the two spies and Rahab, or because Joshua's done so many battles. I could do AI. I don't know. I think I'm going to do the spies. And then I think, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put this on fast forward and you can see what I create. Alright, so I'm back with the finished reveal. I couldn't find my stencil. I don't know where I moved it. I was going to do her name with the stencil up here, but couldn't find it. I literally could not find the one I wanted. Found everyone but the one I wanted. So I just freehanded. But this is Rahab and the two spies. And, you know, the story, you know, she told them she heard the story about their God and she believed him, and she let them know, hey, I will save y'all if y'all don't turn me in, because you know she was a prostitute, whatever. She's also in the lineage of Jesus, and so they kept the word. He said, just put all your family and everybody in that spot when we come. Boom. So anyway, that's just my quick little overview of the Jericho wall and two spies and the red cord that she sent down, and yeah. So what is today? Gosh, it doesn't seem like it's this late in the game, but it is. Very simple, quick drawing, but tried to make the bricks a little bit realistic by using a stencil. And that is my second the sketch note for the book of Joshua. And again, I will have a picture up on my Instagram, hzscribe. So thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing, and taking the time to stop by. And I pray that you read your Bible. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.